Welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you or show you the new UI or how you can access inbox in the BotPenguin account. So simply log into your BotPenguin account, and once you are logged in, you will find this option of inbox on the left hand sidebar menu. Click on this option. Over here you can see different things like the visitor name, status, subscriber, all that things are there. If you want to change anything, you can surely change that. The things that has been changed now, if you open any of the chat, for example, I'm opening this chat, so I don't have to go back to check any other previous chat. From here only I can scroll down and I can see the last message of the customer, the bot name, summary, all that stuff I can check from here only. All right. And in case if I want that these are so much details, like these are the custom attribute that has been saved. In case if you want to change these settings, you can simply click on this settings and you can remove all these things and click on apply. So as you click on apply, so those things will be removed from here. All right. So in case if you want to add those back from here only, you can add them back. And I don't want to show this. I don't want to show any other thing like this one. So I will apply this filter and only applied thing will show up here. So this is something that you can configure on your own. So that's pretty much about this section of inbox. In case if you have any queries for the same, please do reach us out at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin. Have a good day.